Hello John, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what are HTML body tags and why important they are to add them to your HTML page. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to open a new folder. I'm going to do that. I always do this. So I'm going to open a new folder and name it body tag. Then inside this folder, let's quickly open this folder up inside our code editor, which in my own scenario will be inside a VS Code. Then perfect. Let me close this up. I don't need it. Don't save, please. All right, so now we can see here. Now let me create my index.html file, as simple as that. Index.html. And let's close this sidebar and hit on our Shift and 1 to bring the basic HTML document structure. So, and here let me change the title quickly to body tag. Well, by now I know some of you will have located where the body tag is. Yes, this is the body tag. This is it. This is the body opening tag and this is the body closing tag. And is it important? Yes. Why? Because most of our HTML, most of our web page content will be nested inside here. Apart from the head tag, where we are going to be nesting the meta tag, title tag, and other basic tag. So the next important tag here is the body tag. It's going to compose, it's going to be like a parent container for all other content that are inside our web pages. And just like the head tag and the HTML tag, and just like this head tag here and the HTML tag here, we only can have a single body tag in a web page. I cannot come here and just type another body tag here. No, it's not done like that. Yeah, we can just only have a single one. And this inside where we are going to be nesting a lot of other code. We can nest thousands of H1 content, thousands of divs here, but we only have it one time in a single web page. If you create another page, you can also have it, but it should appear once, not two times. But inside it, we can nest a lot of articles, a lot of tags, different tags for our web pages. So I believe with this tutorial, you understand what is body tag. And in our coming videos, we are going to be using it a lot because we are going to be writing a lot of elements inside it and nest plenty tags. Well, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.